everyone, it's Jennifer, and today we have the day 10 of my Advents, and let's go on to the chocolate one, day 10, and let's check it out. So here we go, and oh, it's a different candy than what we've been getting. It is dairy milk. Right there. That's awesome. And it says, how many hats can you find? Oh my goodness, that's going to be too many to list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's just the red and white ones. That's a lot of hats. Oh my. And our tea for today is turmeric spiced. It is an Indian superfood with powerful cumin. And on the back it says 36% turmeric, 20% cinnamon, 10% ginger, 10% cardamom, 10% black pepper, 10% lemongrass, and 2% bergamot extracts. Awesome. I like that. Wow. So I'm interested in trying that one. And then we'll do Paw Ply first today, just because it was in my hand. Alright, so let's check this one out. Okay. Oh, this is gorgeous. And this is day 10. And it says Christmas, Caribbean Christmas. How beautiful is that? There it is. Caribbean Christmas. I love those together. That's beautiful. Alright, on to Southern Skeins for day 10. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's beautiful. So these are the 2 mini skeins for the day. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Love those. Love those. And on to Hobby Lobby. It's a little tiny envelope. Oh my. So here is what is in our envelope. It is some jewelry. And it looks like yarn balls on the earrings. And I'm going to open it up so I can show you guys exactly what it says, because I can't read it. So let's take a closer look. Alright. Let's see what else is on here. And these are just circles at the bottom. But what does it say? Okay. It says Yarnologist. And these have burgundy. And they are yarn balls. There they are. Well, those are adorable. And then it says Yarnologist. And actually, that's a fairly long chain. So that's cute. We think that's adorable. So that was for day 10. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.